Joe Lukowitz has been servicing the greater Tampa Bay area for 39 years. His concentration and focus have been centered around the Northwest Tampa territory, an area where Joe has been the top agent for at least the last 7 years. Specializing in residential resale, Joe sells more houses in this area than any other agent, with sales doubling the next closest agent with any other company. A member of the largest real estate brokerage in the world, Coldwell Banker, Joe belongs to the NRT franchise, a real estate empire that was responsible for nearly $156 billion in sales in the past year. In the Tampa Bay area, they are the #1 agency in respect to sales. Within NRT, Joe is among the top 1% in the country, which speaks very highly, considering that he is competing with agents in Beverly Hills, Manhattan, and Miami Beach. The prominence and success of their brand affords them the ability to spend millions of dollars on high-quality marketing, including top-tier placements for listings on Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com, the most trafficked websites for home searches. Along with a dominant website of their own, Coldwell Banker focuses their dollars on global and local marketing, such as digital and media advertisement, as well as more local sources like the Tampa Bay Times. Keenly aware of the importance of marketing, Joe isn't shy to spend several $100,000s of his own monies each year to market his properties to prospective buyers. Joe's aggressive marketing strategies include direct mailers, websites, and social media. In fact, it may have been one of these very outlets that caused you to give him a call. With a full-scale marketing plan, Joe attracts buyers to the area by showcasing the neighborhoods in HD quality videos. He realizes that the internet is a crowded field for attention, and that's why all of his work is done with the highest quality and appeal in mind. His highly targeted mailing campaign is received by over 20,000 people in Northwest Hillsborough. The mailers showcase his listings while providing a local market update to thousands of people. Joe incorporates a host of social media accounts, including Facebook, Instagram, Google+, Twitter, and YouTube, just to name a few. These social accounts reach thousands of people on a daily basis. This is how Joe ensures that more people will see your home, resulting in the maximum potential sales price. One of the best assets that Joe Lukowitz provides is Joe Lukowitz. When you call Joe, that's exactly who you get. In today's competitive market, there are many agents who take advantage of real estate directory websites by showcasing their team sales on one profile. Any person can look impressive if they have the selling power of 40 other people. Joe doesn't need these smoke and mirrors to be a true authority in his local market. Instead, he lets his reputation speak for himself.
I'm Joe Lukowitz with Coldwell Banker, and remember, no one works harder to sell your home.